Leather repair filler. How to fix a rip in Bycast leather.
Okay, so here we have a Bycast leather repair. Very common problem with Bycast leather is what happens is through force, the blunt granular fiber of the cowhide does not bend and flex, and it sort of just rips open in a thin area. So what we're going to do is we're going to fix this. If you do have a couch where the cushions are removable, you could take the foam out, flip it inside out, and actually work from this side of the repair and then fill it in on top. But for those people who have couches that are stitched together where they can't remove this, we're going to fix it that way. So we've cut a little piece of our leather repair cloth, both size of the cut, and what we're going to do is we're going to feed it through. A lot of times you can just lift up the cushion to a certain degree to position it, and that's what we've done here. We've positioned it underneath. We're going to get our leather repair filler, take a small amount and get it around inside the perimeter of the rip. Try to get it on the inside lip, all around the lip. Okay, we've got it all around the lip. Just clean the knife up and then just push it down. Push it down and hopefully it'll squirt out the rip. That's what you want. Just like that. Okay. Push it down again so that the area that's been ripped is nice and flat. Okay, and you can even push down in along the actual tear area and then apply the filler right into that crack. There, that's beautiful. Now we're going to let this cure overnight, 18 hours. This is the easiest way for it to properly cure, and then we're going to come back and we're going to sand it down and we're going to refinish it, and it's going to be fixed up. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we're back 18 to 24 hours later, and as you can see, it has set up really nice. It's fully repaired. It's nice and flexible. It's an excellent repair. It's got strength in it. You can see that. Now what we need to do is just sand it down a little bit, clean it up. Okay. Apply our leather dyes to the surface. This is a dark brown sea color. Shake it up. Apply it to the sponge. Simply dab it on. Dry it up. Put one more coat on top of there. Then we're going to apply our sealer, our leather sealer, spray it onto the sponge evenly. Just wipe it in. Dry that up. Okay, and there we are. That's a very nice Bycast repair. If you wanted to, you could fill another little area in here of the Bycast, flatten it out. But that's a very nice repair for minimal effort, and that's not going to open up again. That's strong. That's a strong repair. You can find this and many more products at leathertouchupdye.com. Okay, so just to finish this off a little bit better, what we've done is we've gotten a little bit more leather filler and we've put it in that area and tried to level it out as much as possible. Before there was still a little dimple in there, but I mean, the area is fixed, but for aesthetic reasons, I mean, you can always make it a little bit better. You can always make it a little bit better. So that's what we've done. We've made it a little bit better. And we flatten that area out. Again, we're going to apply our leather dye. And we're just going to dab it on in this area. And going to dry it. And of course, all our supplies are backwards compatible. Just because you've fixed this area and you've put dye on it, you've sealed it, that doesn't mean you can't do it over again. You can do it over again. Just make sure that it's dry. Okay, so that's dry enough for another coat. Just want to make sure that it's not too hot. And dab on another coat. I should be wearing my gloves. I'm not. It's okay, I can wash it off with warm water and some soap. Okay, last coat. I'll sort of wipe it on the whole thing. That. Dry this area out. Now we're going to seal it with our sealer. Dry that up. And as you can see, that's even a better repair now. So that, that's probably about 98% perfect right there for a Bycast leather repair. We're finished up. You can find this and many more products at leathertouchupdye.com.
To order this and many other fine leather products, go to leathertouchupdye.com.